La famille et les relations.
The family and the relations. We will see the different relations in a family.
Frère,
Brothers are called in French as
frère. Sœur, sœur.
sisters are called in French as
Sœur, sœur.
brother and sister are called in French as
Frère et sœur, frère et sœur, frère et sœur.
wife is called by different names in French as
Femme, femme. Épouse, épouse. Conjointe, conjointe.
husband is called by different names in French as
Mari, époux, conjoint. Point, reptet. Mari, époux, conjoint.
mother is called in French as
Mère, vous répétez. Mère, mère.
father is called in French as
Père, vous répétez. Père, père.
son is called in French in different names as
Fils ou garçon, vous répétez. Fils, garçon.
daughter is called in French as
Fille, vous répétez. Fille, fille.
uncle is called in French as
Oncle, vous répétez. Oncle, oncle.
aunt is called in French as
Tante, vous répétez. Tante, tante.
male cousin is called in French as
Cousin, vous répétez. Cousin, cousin.
female cousin is called in French as
Cousine, vous répétez. Cousine, cousine.
niece is called in French as
Nièce, répétez. Nièce.
nephew is called in French as
Neveu, vous répétez. Neveu, neveu.
grandparents are called in French as
Grands-parents, vous répétez. Grands-parents, grands-parents.
grandfather is called in French as grandfather is called in French as
Grand-père, vous répétez. Grand-père, grand-père.
grandmother is called in French as
Grand-mère, vous répétez. Grand-mère, grand-mère.
grandson is called in French as
Petit-fils, vous répétez. Petit-fils, petit-fils.
granddaughter is called in French as
Petite-fille, vous répétez. Petite-fille, petite-fille.
son-in-law is called in French as
Beau-fils ou gendre. Point répété. Beau-fils, gendre.
daughter-in-law is called in French as
Belle-fille ou bru. Point répété. Belle-fille, bru.
father-in-law is called in French as
Beau-père, répété. Beau-père, beau-père.
mother-in-law is called in French as
Belle-mère, répété. Belle-mère, belle-mère.
twin boys are called in French as
Jumeaux, répété. Jumeaux, jumeaux.
twin boy and girl are called in French as
Jumeaux, répétez. Jumeaux, jumeaux.
twin girls are called in French as
Jumelles, répétez. Jumelles, jumelles. La famille et les relations. Entraînez-vous en nommant vos relations.
practice by naming your relations. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share. This tutorial is dedicated to Madame Rochelle.